Welcome to this video where we'll be tackling a common issue that many Spring Framework developers face: the can't find Java Toolchain build error. If you're watching this video, chances are you've encountered this frustrating error message while trying to build your Spring project. Don't worry, you're not alone. In this video, we'll dive into the possible causes of this error and provide a step-by-step guide on how to resolve it. The Java Toolchain is an essential component in the Spring Framework ecosystem, responsible for managing the Java development tools required for building and compiling your project. However, sometimes the IDE or build tool may struggle to locate the Java Toolchain, resulting in this pesky error message. In this video, we'll explore the reasons behind this issue and provide a clear explanation of how to fix it. So, why does the cannot find Java Toolchain error occur? There are several possible causes for this issue. Firstly, it's essential to ensure that you have the correct version of Java installed on your system. The Spring Framework requires a specific version of Java to function correctly. If you're using an older or newer version of Java than what's required by your project, you may encounter this error. Secondly, the IDE or build tool might be configured incorrectly. Sometimes the IDE or build tool may not be able to locate the Java toolchain due to misconfigured settings or incorrect paths. Lastly, it's possible that the Java toolchain is not installed correctly or is corrupted. In some cases, reinstalling the Java toolchain or updating it to the latest version can resolve the issue. Now let's walk through the steps to resolve this error. First, ensure you have the correct version of Java installed on your system. Check the project requirements and verify that your Java installation matches the required version. Next, review your IDE or build tool configuration. Double-check the settings and paths to ensure they're correct and point to the right location of the Java toolchain. If the above steps don't resolve the issue, try reinstalling the Java toolchain or updating it to the latest version. To summarize, the cannot find Java toolchain error is usually caused by one of three main reasons. 1. Incorrect Java version installed. 2. Misconfigured IDE or build tool settings. 3. Corrupted or incorrectly installed Java toolchain. By following the steps outlined in this video, you should be able to resolve this error and get your Spring project up and running smoothly. That's it for today's video on resolving the cannot find Java toolchain error in Spring Framework. We hope this explanation has helped you understand the causes of this issue and provided a clear guide on how to fix it. If you have any questions or need further clarification, please don't hesitate to ask in the comments below. Don't forget to like this video if you found it helpful, and consider subscribing for more tutorials and guides on Spring Framework development. Thanks for watching, and we'll catch you in the next video.